Hello my beautiful Procreate friends. In Procreate 5.2 we now have the ability to draw on 3D models. So what do you need? You need a lovely library of 3D models. I'm going to run you through 10 of my favorite places to find 3D models for free, which you can use in Procreate. Let's kick it off. So number one is sketchfab.com. They have a whole host of wonderful, beautiful, free and paid 3D models which you can use. I'll take you through some of the free ones that you've got right here and right now. You've got Keanu Reeves as a cyberpunk. I mean, who hasn't dreamed of drawing on Keanu Reeves' face? After that, we have acon3d.com. Now, this is mostly a paid 3D listing site. Next up, we have acon3d.com. So the second site that I would recommend is free3d.com. They have some wonderful free 3D models which you can use. Make sure that you're using the .obj file format for Procreate. So you can have this man, if you want to draw on top, perhaps some tattoos, or perhaps a nice bit of body art. So the next site I'd like to recommend to you is turbosquid.com. They have some good free models here as well. Everything from boats to helmets to characters. Another great library is clara.io. Here we have free 3D models, including low poly foxes, wonderful collections of beautiful 3D art for you to draw on. Coming in next is 3dcadbrowser.com, where we can really find some very specific 3D models that you might want to use in very certain circumstances. Things like an argon tank, just when you need an argon tank, come to 3dcadbrowser.com. 3d.si.eu is a wonderful site composed by a group of technologists working within the Smithsonian Institute Digitization Program Office. They aim to increase and diffuse knowledge, which is a wonderful commitment to make to the world. And they have released these wonderfully 3D scanned beautiful objects like this mammoth Primigenius Blumback. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. I think you could create some wonderful art just adding some abstract features on top of this. So there's some great potential on this site to get some historical artifacts in 3D models. I imagine you can turn this into a pretty cool NFT. After this, we have share.cg, which is a website for sharing some 3D models. There is this beautiful statue, a Renaissance statue of Hermes, I believe, and it's absolutely stunning. I'm going to use this myself for sure, so I highly recommend this. Next up, we have 3dlancer.net, and they have some 3D models for you, including tables, chairs, and other types of furniture. So if you're looking to try out your carving methods, if you're looking to see how patterns would overlay onto real pieces of furniture, this is the site for you. Finally, we have grabcad.com, which has over 4 million free CAD files for you to use in Procreate. And I highly recommend checking out this massive library of beautiful, beautiful renderings. So once you have these downloaded, all you have to do is airdrop them across to your iPad and they will automatically open in Procreate if you're running the new 5.2 version. Well, thanks for watching. I've got some free 3D models for you that I've made and I put the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Why not follow along if you're not already? Are you? You should be. For more tips, tricks and tutorials on Procreate. Have a delightful day.